Swiss fashion. So somebody asked me how I attach my hairband to the hat base. So I'm just going to show you. So I've got a needle and thread, you need a hairband, or you can use hat elastic if your base is a little bit too deep for the hairband to reach and sit comfortably on the head. Then I tend to use Millinery, this elastic, hat elastic, and then sew it on each side. But today we're going to use, because this is not a very deep base, we're going to use a hairband. I find the back, because that's where the ending of the binding is. I'm going to sit it not right in the centre, just a bit to the back so that this sits nicely on the forehead. And then I'm going to sew it the centre of the hairband. So I'm going to make tiny stitches on the outside. I will be covering this up, so don't worry. If you can get through, I'm hitting the hairband. So it's basically stitch that on. Tiny stitch on the outside again. And keep stitching. You could also use a hair comb, but I tend to only use hair combs on really small fascinators because the weight of the fascinators just pulls that hair comb out of the hair really. A hairband I find a bit more secure on the head, and these are very comfy. Just a thin metal hairband that you can hide in the hair. So you just keep going till that's securely attached. Join me for part 2 to see what I turn this hat into, how I finish it off. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe and like it, and leave a comment or ask any questions you want answered, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye!